Hey guys and gals out there, this is RockinRaffi bringing you another edition of RockinRaffi's Home Cooking. It's hot, it's summer. The temperature outside is in the triple digits. And you know that old saying, when life gives you lemons, you make... That's right, you got it. Remember growing up as a kid? You wanted to be an entrepreneur. You wanted to own your own business. You wanted to make your own lemonade stand. One thing you didn't do, and that was creating a twist like we're gonna do in today's episode. Without further ado, if you're ready, I'm ready. Let's get this lemonade stand on. All right, let's start off by taking some lemons, slicing them up and juicing them until we get 3/4 cup of lemon juice. Go ahead and pour this over ice and add about 2 ounces or more of agave syrup and stir until fully dissolved. Go ahead and add about 3 cups of water. And now take a handful of strawberries, throw them in the blender with a little bit of lemon juice and puree it up. Do the same with the blueberries as well. Go ahead and slice up some cucumbers very thinly. Add the blueberry puree to a glass and lemon juice on top. And throw in some cucumbers and voila, you've got yourself blueberry cucumber lemonade. And we'll also get some strawberry puree, throw it in a glass, throw some juice on top. After the decoration, you've got a masterpiece. Now for the old-fashioned lemonade, go ahead and throw some in a frozen glass cup and then decorate it with mint and a lemon peel. And you've got yourself a summer thirst quencher. And here it is, our final lemonade creation, all made with organic ingredients. We've got our old-fashioned lemonade, we've got our strawberry lemonade, and we've got our blueberry and cucumber lemonade. Cheers. One word, refreshing. This takes a lemonade stand to a whole new level. Imagine when you grew up, you had these as your options. Not bad, huh? You probably would have made billions at that moment. But it's okay, because I'm passing this on to you right now. And little kiddies out there, if you're watching, you know how to make this now. Your lemonade stand is now open. And that's pretty much wraps up today's episode. And until next time, keep on rocking!